You ever thought about putting a screen protector on the 15-inch touchscreen inside your Model 3? So a couple of months ago, I had the opportunity to meet a gentleman by the name of Ram. Ram runs ElonAccessories.com, and what they specialize in is tempered glass screen protectors for your Tesla vehicles, whether it be your Model S, your X, or your 3. Specifically, they're of a matte finish. Now, at first, I really didn't want to put one on my car because I know that the matte finish gives the screen a dull sort of look, and so I was skeptical. Now what I want to do is show you the video on the day of install with Ram himself talking about his company and what they're doing, which I think is great and amazing. And I also, while we're here right now, is tell you my 4 to 5 month follow-up of having that screen protector on my touchscreen this entire time. I don't know if I could go back now. At first I thought I didn't need it, but now I don't know what I would do without it. The reason why is because I love that I don't have to deal with the glare anymore of the sun. You've got that big piece of glass and so much open windows. The glare of the sun can be just a pain in the neck. Secondly, not having fingerprints all over the screen. Oh my God, if you have the OCD that I have, where you keep that little microfiber wipe in your center console and you're constantly wiping your screen, then you need a matte tempered glass screen protector. I'm telling you, it does wonders for your OCD and just overall keeps your screen looking amazing. So, do I recommend this product? Yes. Now, onto the video of install and a little bit about Ram and what he's doing from a company perspective. I think is really good. I think the product is great. It fits my display edge to edge with a perfect fit. So I do recommend you get it. You can find them on ElonAccessories.com. Here's that video. Talk to everyone about, kind of who you are, what you're doing, and your company.
Yeah, the idea is, the Tesla cars are just amazing cars, right? I mean, these are, groundbreaking in a lot of ways. And, when I sat in any of these Teslas, I was like, wow, what times we live in. But I also saw that, there are some accessories that we could add to it so our experience is a little better, right? One thing that we are really laser focused on is touchscreen monitor here. I mean, this is this is heart of the car. Right now we're sitting in Model 3. One thing though is, as amazing as this is, there's a little bit of glare, so we really wanted to solve that and also make it protective, so you don't have to worry about scratching it or spilling water on it or food smudges or any of those things. Right now I'm looking at yours. You maintain it so well. I've seen a lot of cars with a lot of fingerprints on it, so
I think they're there. They're a little hidden.
So when we shut the screen down, we'll notice some of the fingerprints. So basically what we want to do is have a company which is dedicated to accessories for Tesla, but also have a social cause behind it, right? We want to create great products, but we also want to help the environment. So we are very focused on helping local charities. So right now we're talking with 2 different charities, and by the time this gets posted, I'm sure we'll have something worked out. So
yeah, and we'll link the charities down below once you know what they are.
Yes. Cool. Thanks, Raj.
Awesome. And Ram, what's the company, your company name?
Well, Sorry, Elon, but we said Elon Accessories. Yeah, forgive me, Elon, but we're
Awesome.
yeah. So Elon Accessories, we're focused on Teslas and yeah, up and down Model X, S, and 3. So
Awesome.
Yeah.
Great. So what do we have here?
so right now we have a touchscreen protector for
Okay.
Tesla Model 3. So we're gonna install this. Yeah, it's a backside of this. It comes with screen protector,
Okay.
and it comes with cleaning wet wipes, dry wipes, a microfiber cloth, and also guide stickers. And inside you will find our company information and a little bit of brochure with installation instructions and our social cause. So this is all included in touchscreen protector package. So
Awesome. So we're going to be installing this in my Tesla Model 3. Ram, anything specific about your, this is a glass screen protector, correct?
yeah.
You
It
want to
is-
give some kind of context about, you know, behind your glass and what yours has?
Well, it's so funny because I did buy a competitor's screen protector off of Amazon, and this is what it is. It's basically a film. When I bought it, I wasn't happy with it. So what we did was we worked tirelessly for a couple of months to create this tempered glass. Basically, this is a tempered pressurized glass. So it's hard. It's also glare free. As you can see, it's a matte finish. Yeah, it's perfect dimensions. You know, you will see that when we finish it. So basically, the concept is it's it's like Gorilla Glass. It's a tempered glass screen protector.
And what's the benefit of having something like that over, you know, the film specifically here in the Tesla for the Tesla screens?
Yeah, sure. You know, first of all, the film is just bendable, so it peels off after a while. On the other hand, the touchscreen protector is so sturdy and it just sticks to your touchscreen display. The second thing is, as you can see, there's quite a bit of glare off of this. This is called PET film, right? It's basically a film. There's quite a bit of glare, and honestly, this is not any better than the glare off of your touchscreen right now. On the other hand, when we install our matte finish, glare-free screen protector, you will see a huge difference.
With all kinds of different environments, you've got glass on the ceiling all over you. There's a lot of room for light to come in. So
Exactly.
I'm kind of excited to see how that, I would say, to be honest, I haven't really had a lot of glare issues, but it'd be nice to see how this is going to change it and how this is going to make it a little bit better of an experience in the car.
It's one of those things, people just, because you're naturally used to this kind of screen, so people don't notice it until they see the difference. You know, once they install the screen protector, you're like, I do see the difference now. At the same time, everything is going to be absolutely responsive, so you will see that after we install. Yeah.
Cool. Well, Ram, thank you so much. Can we let everyone know what's the website where they can get one of these screen protectors for their car?
Absolutely, but thank you for letting me install touchscreen protector in your car. I mean, I definitely see the difference and so much less glare.
Yeah.
But if you guys are interested in getting one for yourself, or if you have any question for that matter, just go to elonaccessories.com and everything is there. There's a chat window. You can chat with me. Yeah, so we'll look forward to answering your questions.
Perfect, awesome. And Ram, are there any future for other accessories to come out that you can maybe give us a hint on, or right now we're just getting the screen protectors and more to come?
We're now, we're very zeroed in on screen protectors at this point. By the way, we do have screen protector for Model S and X. Both happen to be 17 inches. So, yeah, we're laser focused on screen protectors, but we do have some other product ideas in the pipeline. So yeah, just stay in touch with us on Facebook or Instagram, and we'll surely let you know.
Cool. And these are all available today?
They are ready for pre-order.
Awesome.
So these are the final samples. So yeah, we're just gonna. After this, I'm gonna hit production button. So we'll have ready to ship in 2 weeks.
There we go. You heard it here. Ram, thanks so much. Elon Accessories, check them out. They got the accessories for your screens.
Yeah. Thanks, you guys. Thanks for supporting Teslas and what you guys believe in. So thank you so much.
Thanks. So the tempered glass screen protectors are available right now. I highly recommend them. I've been very pleased with mine. Again, I really appreciate the work that Ram and his team are doing. They're making quality products while giving back to the community. For every screen protector that is purchased, a tree is planted, and I think that's just a really great way to give back and kind of just what gives Elon Accessories a lead above any other company in what they are doing. Again, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you like this video, hit it with a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. We're going to be releasing more reviews, more tutorials, and more new owner videos as well coming up. Thanks for tuning in, and if you're interested in a Model S, X, 3, consider using my referral code. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks, and I'll catch you guys next time. Remember to fuel on electricity.